Hello everyone, my name is Christian Nelson, and today I'll be giving a video tutorial on how to install VirtualBox, set up VirtualBox, and install Kali Linux in a virtual machine. These steps are a rough framework for installing VirtualBox on any device. A quick disclaimer, I will not be showing any steps for any other operating systems other than Windows 10. If you have any other operating system, some steps may vary depending on the operating system. I will have links to the corresponding operating system setups in the instructional document. For more information on licensing, there is a link under the known licensing limitations portion of the instructional document. The first step is setting up or building your computer. Use the link under the system requirements for a video tutorial on the parts and installation. There are timestamps in the video description, but if you need the video, I recommend watching it fully for the knowledge on computer hardware. The next step is installing your computer's operating system. There are links to all operating systems in the document. Once you have Windows set up, we will need to check our BIOS for virtualization. If you are unsure that virtualization is enabled, you can come to your search bar, click Task Manager, then click Performance. In the bottom right corner, it will say Virtualization Enabled or Disabled. If virtualization says disabled, you will need to follow the next steps. I will be linking a video tutorial for this step. Unplug any USB or bootable devices, then restart your computer. You will be prompted to press a key, which is usually Delete or F2. Once you press this key, you will be taken to your BIOS. Click the following: Advanced, CPU Configuration, Enable Virtualization, Exit, Save Changes. After this, you can start or restart your computer to Windows. Your BIOS may not look the exact same, but it will work the exact same. After rebooting your computer, you can come into your Task Manager, you can hit Performance, and you can ensure that virtualization is enabled in the bottom right corner. Now it is time to install VirtualBox. Follow the link in the document to the download page. Once you get to this page, you will want to click Windows Host. When it is finished downloading, you'll come up to the top right, click the download icon, then left-click VirtualBox. Your user account control will appear on the screen. Click Yes. After this, you will be brought to the Oracle setup. Click Next. Click Next. Click Yes. Click Yes. I already have VirtualBox installed on my computer. Where you will click Install, I will click Cancel. Then you will click Finish, but I will click the X since I already have it. You should have Oracle VM VirtualBox on your desktop. Double-click to make sure it loaded properly. Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager should look like this, but it should not have these Linux Mint or Kali Linux already installed on it. Now it's time to install Kali Linux. Follow the link in the document to the download page. Once at this screen, press Download. We will not need to run this file. You're going to want to close that. Once at the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, you're going to want to click New. For the name, you're going to want to name it any distinguishable name from another project you may have. Do not enter anything for folder or ISO. For the type, enter Linux. For the version, enter Debian 12 Bookworm. Press Next. For the base memory, I usually go somewhere around the middle, and for processors, I usually put 2 or 3. A rule of thumb is to use 2 processors for one virtual machine. Press Next. Press Next. Press Finish. your new virtual machine should appear. Once you have created your virtual machine, click Settings, click Storage, click this empty icon, click the disk icon, then choose Disk File. Click your Kali Linux installer. Click OK. Press Start on your virtual machine. Using the arrow keys, press Graphic Install. Hit Enter. These settings are up to you, so I will do my personal settings, you should do your personal settings. Once all the loading is through, select the host name. This host name should also be distinguishable. Skip the domain name. Enter your username. Enter a password. Press continue. Wait for the loading to finish again. Choose Use Entire Disk. Hit Continue. Then choose All Files in one partition. Hit Continue. Press Yes. On the software selection screen, press Gnome and unclick XFCE. Wait for this to load. This may take a while. Once inside your virtual machine, open the terminal. We must first install Nmap. Using the command highlighted, we can install Nmap. You should see many tasks that will say done when completed. If you need extra help, you can type in the sudo nmap-help command. To quickly scan the network, type sudo nmap-F scanme.nmap.org. The capital F is a quick scan. You can also use other Nmap tool tags to help scan how you want. By replacing the -F with a dash lowercase s uppercase t, Nmap will try to establish a connection using TCP. And using capital P lowercase n will disable ping. Thank you for watching. You now know how to install VirtualBox, set up VirtualBox, install Kali Linux, and use Nmap in a virtual machine.